Well, here it is. This is Leno Binning, Natchitoches Storekeeper. My diary for the end of it all. I'm stuck. Stuck in my forklift. It's enclosed, so the harsh weather's not getting to me. But I am cold, and it's not going to take long for the snow to bury me in this mechanical coffin. Why? Why is it snowing? There's no escape. To my family and friends, I love you. To my coworkers, be safe. Oh, wait a minute. What's on that bush? Is that berries? I've got to go check it out. Oh God, why does it have to snow? Oh God, the snow's getting so deep already. It's nearly at the top part of the bottom part of the sole of my boot. They could save me for at least a couple of days. I could just get to them. Okay. I wonder if those are edible. Oh, I can't get to them. To whoever finds this, I would like it to be known that I was brave. I'd like it to be told that I actually fought for my survival and killed a bear with my bare hands, and I ate it. And I wore its fur for a coat. But then the snow was just too deep. I couldn't survive. I'd like to have a legacy of being a man's man, instead of the reality of freezing to death in this forklift when the snow buries me in a capsule. Maybe the bear had cubs, and I killed them too and made boots. Look, I know this is dark. It went to a dark place pretty quick, but how could it not? I'm in a blizzard and I may not survive. Oh God. Oh God. I ate some of those berries. Oh. Oh. I don't think that was a good... Oh. Now that I'm looking at it, I don't think the snow's that bad, but I don't think the snow's gonna get me. I think the berries are gonna get me. I think I messed up. Before I go, I'm gonna document my last moments with these snow puppets. This is me. This is gonna represent the bear. Oh, I just hope somebody finds it in time.